Alright, so conjugate pairs. If you have a complex zero, something with an I in it, you'll also have the conjugate pair, something with the negative I also in it. So they're telling us a bunch of our zeros, and we want to see if we can create the entire polynomial here. So let's see what we can do here. We know that it has -1, -1, and 3i as zeros. So -1, we can say x plus 1 squared as one of our factors, because it's the multiplicity of 2. We're going to have x minus 3i, and we're also going to have x plus 3i, because we always are going to have the conjugate pairs. Alright, so let's go ahead and multiply these all the way out. We'll have x squared plus 2x plus 1 from foiling this guy. And then from foiling the next one, we'll have x squared minus 9i squared, which is just the same thing as saying x squared plus 9 okay, and now so we're going to multiply the whole thing out, and so x squared times x squared is x to the 4th, and then we'd have plus 9x squared. We'd have 2x cubed plus 18x. We'd have an x squared, and we'd have plus 9. Go ahead and I'll write this in the correct order. X to the 4th plus, where are my cube functions? There we go, 2x cubed plus 10x squared plus 18x plus 9. And so that's one possible answer. Notice it didn't tell us if we had anything constant out in front of our whole factor. So we just decided that that a should be 1 times the whole thing, which gets our answer. If we had decided that we wanted to put a number out there, such as 2, then we could have an answer 2x to the 4th plus 4x cubed plus 20x squared plus 36x plus 18. So lots of possible answers based on what that multiplicity, or what that a out in front is going to be. All right, so go ahead and give this a shot on your own. Go ahead and try problem 45. All right, 45, we know that we have x minus 1, we know we have x minus 5i, and we know we have x plus 5i, and so we'll just multiply this all the way out. So we've got x squared minus 25i squared from foiling the last two terms. That's the same thing as saying x squared plus 25. And so now if we FOIL here at the end, we're going to get x cubed minus x squared plus 25x minus 25 as our answer.